Okay, Assalamu alaikum class.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम मिस।
Okay, ji. As we are studying unit number 2, kinematics, we have discussed different topics like kinematics, different types of motion, states of rest and motion, their examples. Then, yesterday topic was scalars and vectors. What we have studied in scalars and vectors, their definition, their differences, then their different examples, and
Their symbols.
representation. Yes, their symbol and their representation, and at last the difference between scalars and vectors and their different examples according to their differentiation. Okay, now today's topic is graphical representation of vector quantities. In yesterday class we have only discussed that how can graphically a vector quantity be written. How can we draw? This is not done. Now in today's class we will discuss how to draw a vector quantity on a paper. Okay, if we have to symbolize any vector quantity, so we simply write down its symbol, like if a vector is denoted by V, so we can make it bold or by making an arrowhead over it. Okay, is it like that
Yes miss.
we have discussed yesterday? So
Yes miss.
graphical representation of vector quantities. Vector quantities can be represented by a line segment with an arrowhead. It is a vector. For example, it is a vector V. The direction of the vector V is from A to B. In making of vector quantities, it is very important to note down the direction of a vector. For example, the arrowhead is showing the direction. For example, A to B. It means the direction of vector quantity is from A to B. Okay, if it is written as B to A, it means the direction of vector is from B to A. Okay, keep it in your mind. This is point to remember. Now in your book there are different problems are given according to their vector quantities and their direction. How can we graphically prove that it is a vector quantity, and or how can we draw a vector quantity in your notebook? Okay, this is the problem written over your book. I think problem number 2.1 it is. Okay, the represent a force of
Yes
80
miss.
Newton acting towards north of east. Give me an answer. Can we draw 80 Newton on a paper? Can anyone answer this question? Can we draw weight on a paper? वेट को ड्रॉ कर
No.
सकते हैं? No. Force, can we draw a force on a paper? Mass on a paper? Mass, so it is a scalar quantity. What about speed? Can we draw a speed on a paper? No. So how can we draw a vector quantity on a paper or anywhere? So we have to select any scale. Okay, it will be discussed later on. Now, if a question is given like represent a force of 80 Newton acting towards north of east, it is a problem. So first of all, you have to make a data. Okay, what you have to do? You have to make a data. What is required and what is given. First of all,
Force.
yes, if you have any problem, first of all, you have to write what is given in the question. Okay, a force of 80 Newton is given in the question. It means it is given to your data. Towards north of east, it is given in the data. And
Yes.
what you have to draw a vector quantity in the direction of north of east. So force, a vector quantity, is equal to 80 Newton, and the direction is given north of east. So what will be your first step? What will be your first step? Any idea?
Draw a graph.
No. Any idea? Nuzef?
To draw the line showing to draw a line showing north of west
हाँ.
east.
Nuzef? इफ्रा? कहाँ है सब? मनाहिल, okay, Manahil. Yes, unmute yourself, Manahil. Yes, what to
Ma'am,
do?
drawing a compass,
Drawing a
compass to show directions.
compass. Okay, सही. और कुछ म्यूट कर दें?
Draw perpendicular lines.
Draw perpendicular lines. And what these lines are called?
North and east.
Yes, north, east, and west. So first step will be draw two lines perpendicular to each other. What are the perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines basically making a 90-degree. They are perpendicular to each other. Means one is vertical and the other one is horizontal. Horizontal line represent east and west, and vertical lines represent north and south direction. For example, if we take the picture, okay, west, horizontal line, west and east. There is a horizontal line. What is the horizontal line? Basically, the horizontal line is always parallel to x-axis. X-axis. Do you understand x-axis and y-axis?
Yes, miss.
Okay. This is your x-axis and this is your
Yes, miss.
y-axis. And if you see this north and this east, both are perpendicular to each other. For example, they are making a 90-degree. If you put the d here, then they measure that this angle will be 90-degree. Okay, clear?
Yes,
West,
miss.
east on horizontal, north, south, they are vertical.
Vertical.
North and east making perpendicular, same like that, north and west making perpendicular. Okay, clear? The first step
Yes, miss.
is to make the directions, and there are four directions: north, south, west and east. Okay ji. Step number 2, as we have discussed that we cannot draw 80 Newton on a paper directly, so we have to select any suitable scale. Okay, now the question is that how to select a scale. Select a suitable scale to represent the given vector. In this way, we select a scale. 1 centimeter equal to 20 Newton. Acha, it is up to you. Okay, this step is up to you, that you are how many centimeters you are taking to how many newtons. For example, for my convenience, I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 20 Newton. ये एनोनेटर प्लीज रब इट, इससे भी गैस हटा दें. Now 20, if 1 centimeter equal to 20 Newton, then 2 centimeter will be equal to 40 Newton. Why? If 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter equal to 2 centimeter, then 20 plus 20 will be equal to 40 Newton. Okay, understand? Is it clear to you?
Yes, miss.
Then 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter will be equal to 60 Newton. And 4 centimeter will be equal to 80 Newton.
80 Newton.
Clear? It is up
Yes,
to
miss.
you. It is up to you to select any scale. Anything that is easy for you, more convenient for you, then take like that. Okay, step number 3. Draw a line according to the scale in the direction of the vector. In this case, draw a line of length 4 centimeter along the northeast. Draw a line according to the Okay, draw a line according to the scale in the direction of the vector. In this case, draw a line OA, means OA is your vector quantity. Draw a line OA of length 4 centimeter, it means it is your vector quantity along the northeast. Northeast is the given direction. Now we will take out your pencil, your notebook and scale. Okay, first of all, you have to make the directions north, east, west, and in the downward direction south. Clear? Have you drawn?
Yes, miss.
Have you drawn the directions?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In step number 3, what is given? Direction is given northeast. It means you required only north and east. See from your question that what are the directions you have needed. Okay, you need only north and south. North and east. So draw only north and then east, east and north. At this time, we will neglect west and south. Okay, we have to make the vector in the direction of northeast, so we will consider only northeast direction. Achha, now the question is northeast. Northeast means anywhere between north and east. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Yes, miss.
If it is given northwest, so what will be?
We have to draw a line between northwest,
Yes, anywhere between
northwest.
northwest. Okay. Now, have you made the direction north and east?
Yes, miss.
Okay, east will be your x-axis and north will be your y-axis.
Y-axis.
It means on x-axis it will be your
East.
uh, no direction. X-axis and y-axis horizontal. This is your horizontal line and this is your vertical line.
What?
Vertical line. Okay.
Okay.
So now take your scale and put at 0 point. Yeah, O point.
Ma'am, it's O or 0?
O. Alphabet, not number. Okay.
Okay.
Put your scale at O point. Then what is your last centimeter measurement?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. It means you have to make a line of 4 centimeter. Take your pencil to the 4 centimeter and mark a point. Okay, Aisha Hassan, unmute yourself. Aisha Hassan,
Yes, miss.
is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, have you made the directions? Mark 4 centimeter. Have you marked?
Yes, miss.
Aisha Hassan, have you marked? Musarrat Mazhar, unmute yourself. Musarrat Mazhar, Hafsa Akil, Hafsa Akil, unmute yourself and let me know, are you understanding or not? Is it clear to you
Yes, miss.
all or not? Yes, Aisha. Sorry, Hafsa.
मिस
Clear?
थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया.
थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आया. कहाँ से समझ नहीं आया?
यस, मिस थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आया.
बताएं. From which
मिस
point?
आपने जो ग्राफ का जो बताया है,
यही वाला. This step.
मिस आपने जो ग्राफ का बताया है ना.
This step.
यस मिस.
Okay, सबसे पहले first of
यस
all
यस
you have
दिस
to
स्टेप.
make a horizontal line east, okay, then a vertical line north, clear, then put your scale at this 0 point, clear. Hafsa, put your scale at this point and make 4 centimeter line, because according to the step number 2 your last centimeter or your the total centimeter according to your 80 Newton is 4 centimeter. It means your 4 centimeter is making 80 Newton force. Okay, so you have to draw 4 centimeter in between north and east, because the direction is north east. It means that you have to draw in between north and east. Direction of vector OA is anywhere between north and east. Okay, clear? Now, if you measure that 1 centimeter will be equal to 20 Newton, then 2 centimeter will be equal to 40 Newton, 3 centimeter will be equal to 60 meter, and then last 4 centimeter equal to 80 Newton. And 80 Newton force you have to represent with the help of a vector quantity. So this is your finally vector OA. It is called vector OA. Okay, clear? Now,
Yes, miss.
step number 4. Put an arrowhead at the end of the line. In this case, arrowhead is at point A, thus the line OA will represent the vector. The force of 80 Newton acting towards the northeast is ready. Now, we can see from the picture, it is your O point. This is A, north, east, and northeast is between your vector A is in between north and east. So it is called north, then dash and east. Your 4 centimeter line will give you force 80 Newton. Clear? Now the last point is that you have to put an arrowhead.
Yes.
Why we are putting an arrowhead? Because we have already studied that all vector quantities are shown by an arrowhead. So what is the direction? Wherever there is a direction, there will be the arrowhead. And your direction is between in the middle of northeast. So here will be the direction of your arrowhead. This is A. Okay, clear? Any confusion?
No.
Can you make a picture of, wait, Can you make a picture of same like that but of different direction?
Yes,
if,
miss.
if I given you different force value of different force and different direction, can you make it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, miss.
now I have a question for you. 25 Newton, okay, 25 Newton force towards northwest. So we will take the scale 1 centimeter equal to 5 Newton for our convenience. It is more convenience, I think, to
Yes,
take
miss.
5 centimeter differences. 1
Mm.
centimeter 5 Newton, then 2 centimeter 10 Newton, 3 centimeter 15 Newton, 4 centimeter 20 Newton, and 5
20 Newton.
centimeter equal to 25
25 Newton.
Newton. Okay, now draw it in your copy. I have given you the scale, I have given you the direction. Now make in your, draw it in your notebook. And then at last, finally, I will share the final picture that will be correct. And you will check that your picture is same like that or little bit different or completely different. Okay, hurry up. You have only 2 minutes. I am giving you 2 minutes. It is right now 12:36. At 12:38, I will share picture with you.
बस दाल नहीं आ रही। लगी हुई है। I
Okay, Sania Riyad, I will share this PPT on Google Classroom by tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, G. How much completed? Ifra, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Ifra, have you drawn the picture?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Where is the direction?
North, west, west,
Right or left?
left.
The arrowhead will be on.
Between north, west, left.
Okay. Now I'm sharing the picture. This is your final picture. The direction is given from north to west, so you have to select only two directions, north and west. Clear? And northwest will be your left hand side. It comes on your left hand side. Now put your scale on O point, and what is your last measurement? 5 centimeter. And your total force is 25 Newton. It means 5 centimeter is making 25 Newton force. So make a line 5 centimeter. It will give you 25 Newton. Then put the arrowhead over towards the direction A. This will be your vector OA in the direction of northwest. Okay, clear? Any problem?
मिस मैंने आपसे ही पूछना था कि इसके साथ जो बुक में स्टेप्स लिखे हुए हैं क्या हमें भी इसके साथ स्टेप्स लिखने होंगे?
नो नो नो, स्टेप्स नहीं लिखने होते, जस्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम।
ठीक है मिस।
ये दे आर जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ये सिर्फ आपके समझाने के लिए है, नथिंग एल्स। ओके।
यस मिस।
ओके जी, आई थिंक इट इज़ enough for today. Thanks a lot. In the next class, we will inshallah discuss about different terms that are related with motion. Okay?
यस मिस।
Okay, ji, thanks a lot and Allah Hafiz.